Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Buon na kibayo e ka Jingpang Bampong. Kido men siam no hadian bakitip bagi don ya kini ka Jingpang. Uba garden jerwa uwe ni ki Rangbah ubalayo e ka Koit na ka Jingpang cancer. Habagran ha ka second Meghalaya cancer conclave havivanta. Ule thu e ka Jingyat linti jong u na do basdang. Kaba udon ni ka Jingpang ha urendang. Uba jerwa ule thu bololet shimdawai bat klam Koit wat hadian shibnai ru kabala penong yu banle jaga endoscopy bat kiwei di kitas bat habaki yo jaga report u doktor ba sumari u klam a jaga jubab hendai ulap hakle se ka CT scan kaba penong yu ban pen ino jaga report shiki bahayang ki badai ki doktor ha kaba ki let ho bakani ka dai ka dak jong ka cancer shu let ho ba wat la ulatip bakani ka cancer hendai u klam tiang satya ha kaba ulalet ban sha sumar ba di kendo e ki doktor ha civil hospital Shillong bat ulayo e ka jingtip kaba banya halor kani ka Jingpang ha kaba ula sha sumar bat Ïakhun ni kani ka Jingpang da ka Jingkerman uba jerwa ulaong ban Ïakhun ni kani ka Jingpang ka Donkam ni ka Khlaiñ ka Jingmut Jingpyrkhat bat bandan ni ka minsiam ban Ïakhun uri thuru ba kumba sau pa arsngi umla ban kren ha kaba ula shutho ha ikot lada udan kam ai hendai hadian kata usala ban kren biang ka Jingpang kalong ka ba e hendai ngidiban shania ki doktor ki nurse bat di testai ki dawai ulo
journey jonga hapoka ting sumare cancer mo ti nangkong e ka jiksam jonga so bayo ka de some difficult on the throat ka don problem that I thought it was a fish bone. So I eat a lot of thick rice. When the fish bone is stuck, you used to eat this thick rice, and it's not working. Then what I do, I try to consult my nephew, who's a doctor, he's a medicine doctor. He said there might be a gastric. The gastric shoots, sometimes in the neck. So I thought it might be that. So I went to the general medicine doctor. He said that I explained him everything. General medicine doctor sent me, he referred me to ENT doctor. Then I refers to ENT doctor, tinggal alet, idon specialist. Atau di ENT specialist, they refer to ya dawai yang terhadap dengan gastric. So ya dawai it's not helping. For 1 month it's not helping. Then I'm worried. Yeah, then again I can. After 15 days, then I came again and explained it's not working. So he said, okay, let's do this. We'll take some video endoscopy and we'll take some biopsies from there. Hadian to ngalen le biopsy, le endoscopy, and they take something from my neck, some biopsy. Hadian to ngala your report, and then the doctor didn't say me anything. Macam batay nga pagkadege kay. Hadin nung to sale hadin nga len yung doctor, what is this? What does it mean? Please explain me. Then he doesn't say anything. Hadin to no, you have to do a CT scan test so that they'll make it clear. Nga len no nga penino kini report sa po kibahing sa mga kitang doctors. Tinga pi reports ko kani kadeka pre-cancers. It may be first stage cancer, I don't know. They didn't know it's like that. To ngalit yung to ng doctor kung fikang patay yung it's cancer. So you have to go to cancer wing. Just refer nga sa oncologist. Tenga alam mo, I'm shocked. But I'm not panicking. They didn't know to kung what happened, I don't know. Kung ba kadika ngalit na yung doktor ako cancer wing kila pataya nga kiyong magari tam Jingpyrkhat kiyong gila kites kini tayo kila leg test pa kila leg to things dang treatment on 27th of May. That was my first cycle of chemotherapy. First cycle ngabiang gamen na second cycle ngabiang third cycle I was a bit weak but still I'm fighting. After that, once radiation therapy, and radiation therapy is quite tough. It's kapanong stomach brio. But still, And you should have that strong feeling, no? That's you have to fight, you have to be strong. Otherwise, if you won't be strong, then the doctors will help you, no? They have long Jingmut Jingpyrkhat, Jingpang, have long Khlaiñ, have long very strong. You have to fight. Then after that, after my radiation therapy, for 42 days, I couldn't speak. I have to put a piece of paper to tell anything what I want to my wife, and for my friends, I just take text in the mobile. And on the 17th of October, I remember, and everything is get up. I said, "Hey, it's everything. It's so free, it's so relief." So it's very tough. I say cancer, it's not that easy. It's a kind of disease. It's quite tough, but you have to fight. You trust in the doctors, in the nurse. And I like to thank the civil hospitals. You cannot underestimate the civil hospitals as well, because it's quite tough now. Civil hospitals is quite tough. And regarding that time treatment, the daycare, we used to Ïakhun VR, no? So bring from my. It's really good. It's really relief. It's out of stress, relax. Kalong perba, Jingmut Jingpyrkhat, can lighten up attention, everything. So that is my journey, and it's not so easy. But if you love yourself, that's all. That's all I have to say. Thank you.